When you are retired, or getting ready to step into retirement, every single dollar you have built up over a lifetime of hard work carries a whole new meaning. This isn't money you are playing around with anymore. You aren't in your 20s taking reckless gambles. You are in the preservation phase of your life. You want safety, you want clarity, and above all else, you want complete peace of mind. Yet so many retirees come to me feeling frustrated, worried, and frankly tired of dealing with big commercial banks. You look at your bank statement and see $5 fees, $10 maintenance charges, or ridiculous minimum balance rules that punish you just for moving your own money around. It makes you ask yourself, why am I paying a massive financial institution just to hold on to my hard-earned savings? The truth is, you shouldn't be. That is precisely why taking a look at a credit union like BluPeak Credit Union makes so much sense for this chapter of your life. Credit unions are not-for-profit financial cooperatives. They aren't beholden to Wall Street shareholders who demand profits at your expense. They are owned by their members, people just like you. And when you open a Blue Ripple savings account with BluPeak, you get federally insured security through the National Credit Union Administration, the NCUA. Up to $250,000 per depositor, giving you the exact same protection as FDIC insurance at a traditional bank. Now, I know what many of you are thinking right off the bat. Susie, aren't credit unions hard to join? Don't I have to belong to some specific union or work for a specific company? That is a very common fear, but I want you to set that worry aside right now. BluPeak Credit Union has wonderfully broad eligibility paths. If you live, work, or worship in Alameda, Sacramento, San Diego, Santa Clara, or Yolo counties in California, you are eligible. If you are a current or retired employee of the state of California or the University of California system, you are eligible. If you have an immediate family member who is already a member, or even someone living in your household, you are eligible. There are multiple doors open for you to step through. So let's walk through how you actually open this account, step by step, right from the comfort and safety of your home. You do not need to drive anywhere or stand in a long line if you don't want to. You can complete the whole process online in about 10 minutes. Before you even open your web browser, I want you to get organized. Gathering your paperwork ahead of time is how you eliminate stress and prevent tech headaches. Sit down at your desk and grab 3 essential items. First, a valid, unexpired government-issued photo ID, your driver's license, state ID, or passport. Second, your social security number. Third, your current physical address, along with your previous address if you've moved within the last 2 years. Finally, you will need a funding source for your initial deposit. BluPeak's Blue Ripple savings account requires a modest opening deposit of just $25. You can fund that $25 using a debit card, a credit card, or by typing in the routing and account number from an existing checking account you already hold. Once your documents are sitting right in front of you, open up your computer or tablet and head to BluPeak's official website at blupeak.com. Look right at the top of the homepage for the button that says Open an Account or Join. When you click that, the system will prompt you to select the account type you wish to open. You will choose the Blue Ripple savings account. The application will first ask you to verify your eligibility. You will simply check the box that applies to you, whether that is where you live, your retired work history, or a family connection. Next, you will fill in your personal identification information, your full legal name, date of birth, social security number, physical residential address, email address, and phone number. Take your time here. Double-check every digit of your social security number and street address before moving to the next screen to make sure everything matches your official documents seamlessly. After your identity details are filled in, the system will ask you how you want to fund your new account. This is where you put in that initial $25 deposit. Once you authorize that initial $25 transfer, you will review the standard electronic account disclosures. Make sure you opt into free statements right there during setup so you never have to worry about paper statement fees. Submit your application, and within moments, you will receive confirmation of your new account. Now, Here's what I love about this specific account for retirees. Once that account is open, there are no monthly maintenance fees and no ongoing minimum balance requirements hanging over your head. If you keep $25 in there or $25,000 in there, you aren't going to get nickeled and dimed with surprise fees. You get unlimited transfers, full access to online and mobile banking, and access to over 30,000 surcharge-free co-op network ATMs nationwide if you ever need cash while traveling. My actionable takeaway for you today is simple. Stop letting your money sit in accounts that drain your hard-earned funds through monthly fees or complicated rules. Retirement should be about freedom, security, and simplicity. Take 15 minutes today. Gather your ID and your funding info, go to BluPeak.com, and open your savings account. Protect your money, keep it federally insured, and stand tall knowing you are in complete control of your financial future.